over here. We are in our Talegaon constituency, and you can see right over here, Greater Panjim Planning Development Authority has given permission for land filling, that is on 19th of May 2020. And I'm here with the farmers and with the locals and with the landowners who are clearly not aware and are shocked to see on this kind of layout which is put over here, and no one can see it. And I'm right now over here with everyone, and they are very upset with this whole situation. So I would like to ask Xavier. Xavier, please do update us as to what has been happening right now over here.
Okay, now 2028 ODP. 8 months back it was notified, but we have strongly objected, and the court has given an interim stay, and in the month of June there will be a final judgment. Gram Sabha resolution 3 times we have taken, no development in low-lying areas, paddy field. In spite of that, the local MLA Musarats are desperately wanting to penetrate in the fields. We said very clearly that you can have ground plus 1 for the existing community center, and you can make spacious only for the panchayat office. But the thing is, they want to penetrate in this fertile agricultural land. All the owners are here. There is no intimation for them. There is no cash received. The payment received for the acquisition. Nothing. Zero. We will fully object to this, and we will not give 1 inch of this paddy field to be acquired. There's a lot of land from the Badkas. We don't want to mention, but we can acquire that land from big Badkas who are having, and you can build in case you want to build, but not in the paddy fields. Musarat is only after land. He is nothing. Beyond that, he is nothing, because he has penetrated in the large area of 6,000 square meters near the church. 2012 manifesto, he said this area is for the joggers track, and then later on he's come up with a big commercial project. Okay, these are his intention. I don't know how much is his greed, how much he wants to accumulate. I don't know. With this COVID issue, we don't know whether we are going to survive.
Very true.
We don't know why he wants to accumulate so much wealth. I don't know. A MLA shouldn't be a real estate agent. This is the distraction. Today the creek, which is pending for 20 years, he cannot do it. The creek is a disaster. We have written a representation to CM to do the creek at the earliest. We don't have to tell even, but now they are doing some lipstick service, all this panchayat and Musarat. Mr. Musarat, I am telling you, come in the agricultural line. If you want, develop all the agricultural land, 80% profit you take and 20% you give for the farmers. If you still want to make money, give 80% for you. Develop all give a strong backup for the agricultural field if you want money. But real estate, drop it. Move out from the real estate. You are doing too much dadagiri. Forcefully you are entering in this paddy field. These are poor farmers. Even for their children tomorrow, this land is like a gold mine, and they would like to cultivate. Now due to several reasons they cannot cultivate it. But the future generation will cultivate.
Thank you, Xavier. Now I'm going to be asking the farmers over here and landowners who have not been intimated about the filling up of the land, and already there's a big notice being put up here in the field area. So let's speak to some few landowners and farmers, what difficulty they've been facing and how upset are they seeing this whole thing over here, and they have not been intimated or letter coming to them or any compensation. Nothing is given, and this order is put up on the 19th of May. With all this COVID issue that's happening, things are being done hidingly. So what is the farmers' reaction? Let's check it out. Ma'am, all right. Please give us. तुम्ही सांगा की तुमका किती त्रास पडला आहे?
No. First of all, I am very hurt and surprised to see this board. We did not given a notice about the project whatsoever. And for my knowledge, I know we do have Panchayat Ghar in the community center. I don't know again why they want another panchayat. All the panchayat Ghar will start from here, it will end in Penji, I think so. The panchayat Ghar. We don't need any panchayat Ghar.
Right.
And if they want, they can build it somewhere else. In the community center, up they can do. Our poor steers, they should not take it. They shouldn't take us for granted. It is once I have spoken to Mr. Monserrat, and he told me they are not going to take it. He has given me some papers. I will show it to you all. And now again, after I don't remember, as an old lady, I don't remember which year he has given it. He promised me, he came to my house. I begged to him not to take our field. We did not cultivate it because of our weakness. We are old, but now as the coronavirus is there is no food for us. We anyhow try to cultivate this thing and eat it for ourselves because we don't need contaminated food come from other states.
Very true.
Please don't leave our place, leave our field, please. I again beg of Mr. Monserrat, don't touch our field, please. This is what I have to tell. If we don't, our grandchildren, our children will cultivate it if we have a piece of land. Please don't take it, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the government is saying you cultivate Shetaroya. On the other hand, they are filling the Sheta. What is this? Nonsense. Government itself is a joke.
Totally, ma'am. I can totally understand. If you can see the frustration of the landowners, the farmers over here right now, that they are being facing difficulty. In the end, Mr. Kavlikar, who's the agricultural minister, sir, just look into this. When we should be promoting, agriculture, when we should be promoting basic over here for all our farmers, because right now food is a big problem. We have to encourage. On top of that, land is going to be taken without even informing them, without even a notice coming to them. I think so that is very bad. And if you heard this landowner who just spoke right now, I mean, she's talking from her heart, saying that leave our lands, let us cultivate, let whatever happen, but please don't take our lands. I think so this is so much to ask from our farmers. We are seeing all farmers being troubled all over India. What about our farmers here in Talegaon? What about our landowners over here in Talegaon? What are they facing every day? I mean, who is going to be taking up these issues? Are we just going to be watching when our land gets eaten up? Are we just going to be watching when everything is just being eaten under our feet? When are we going to start voicing up, guys? It's our land right now. It's our fight for a better Goa. It's our fight to stay alive right now. And right now with everything going on, like half of us are all jobless over here. We have to be encouraging agriculture over here. So I have some landowners who would like to speak up. And
I just want to say that we have not got any notice, and I just plead not to take our land, not to take our field, because we want to grow paddy and a lot of vegetables too. And please don't take our fields.
see, this is the request that people, the farmers, the landowners are asking, that not to take their land. And I have a lawyer from our very own Talegaon who we keep fighting every now and then for Gram Sabhas. So please also tell us what has been this land issue and what the present panchayat or anyone is doing.
See, if you go to see the regional plan 2011 had these 2021 had given protection to these low-lying paddy fields. Second, we have taken so many resolutions in the Gram Sabha, and the panchayat has concurred with it that low-lying paddy fields will not be used for construction purpose. That is second. Now, if you go to see this board here, it says land acquisition order. It says 2005. It does not show any date when the land was acquired. Now you have the landowners here who are come, that is the farmers themselves, who are saying they have not received any notice. They have not received any notice. They have not appeared for any hearings before the government authority. They have not received any compensation. So how can they go about filling? And I am surprised with that order of the GPPDA, whereby, and which is headed by the Panjim MLA. So it is a political nexus. Now GPPDA, it says 1905 to 2020, they are giving during this pandemic, they are giving the notice to fill it's a fraud on the people of Talegaon.
Very
One more
true.
thing. No, wait. Let me continue. Now, if you go to see, legally also, the PDA has no authority over Panchayat affairs. Now, PDA is a planning body, and I said this time and again, and it is there on record, it's in print, whereby Panchayat is the whole and soul of the affairs of the area within the Panchayat jurisdiction. So I do not know, after despite knowing, I would call upon the member secretary, PDA, Mr. Pandita, to come clean on what I am saying. Let the member secretary PDA come clean on what I am saying, that the PDA today has no right over the affairs of the Panchayat area within the Panchayat jurisdiction. Also, PDA has no right to make a plan for the Panchayat area. It is the Panchayat which has all the powers to make the plan, and so therefore this is an extra statutory body which is now trying to create such a lot of problems for the villagers. Another thing, now if you go to see, this is for construction of Panchayat Ghar. Now it is for Panchayat Ghar. Now if you to the left is the community center. Now community center is just a ground story building. Then you go this side and you see that Monserrat's house, which is a multi-story building now. His residence has been converted into a commercial zone, put up a residential building, and he has increased the height. Now, I do not understand why there is a need to destroy another field in Talegaon when you can demolish the entire community center, put up a multi-story building, have community center also, have Panchayat office and maybe some other offices. You can do it in that same area. Now, this is a fraud on the people of Talegaon, which we've been saying time and again, which everybody is aware of, nobody is speaking, but what will happen is that if we continue this way, then you will see that in the coming days, you will have no fields in Talegaon, and mind you, all Talegaon cards also. There is a church next door which is celebrating Harvest Festival every August, 21st of August. That will become a notional thing. You will doing only Bogawal, only that Bogawal kind of thing will happen, remain. You will not be able to do anything, and I'll tell you, the generations that are coming in Talegaon will curse us, because we did not do when we could do. So Talegaon cards also should now think whether you want all these things. It's not about one field. This is not about one field. This was also a field. This was also a field. Next to it is ground, was also a field. Next to it now, and I will not go on that, but there is some stadium which is coming. There also is a field. So the present establishment or the present ruling dispensation in Talegaon is hell-bent on destroying the fields. Why? Because they know once they destroy the fields here, the neighbors will be forced to give up their land. Then they can come up with their projects. This is nothing but to destroy the field and make the other farmers liable to their needs.
Alright, I have another landowner and a farmer over here who's been... Okay, he's the Farmers Club Secretary. So who also is going to give us a few pointers as to what he's been facing. And sir, tell us what, are you shocked with this notice which is put up?
म्हाका नोटीस घालून हांव रातीन सगळ्यांक इन्फॉर्म केलें की हे नोटीस बोर्ड घाल्ला आनी हे सगळें मोडलां. आमकां इल्लो प्लेस ट्रॅक्टर व्हरपाक आमकां हें दिना ते, आनी हे येदें व्हडलें हे मोडून JCB घालून राती उडयलां, रातचें उडयलां, दिसाचें न्हू. हांव शॉक जालो, हे रातचें मोडटा कित्याक काय म्हणून. दिसाचें मोडा न्हू, सॅटर्डे करा, सॅटर्डे हय. तूं डेली हेजे दिसा वर्कींग डेज कर न्हू. हे रातचें कित्याक लिपोन चिपोन करता, डायरेक्ट करा न्हू. कितें आहा डायरेक्ट, आमी डायरेक्ट आहा, पूण आमकां शेतान कितेंच केल्लें नाका आयज पासून. कित्याक आमचे कडेन सगळें हें आहा, आमचें मॅकनायजेशन सगळें टोटल. लोकांक कितें जाय तें हांव एवेलेबल करता. सीड, मागीर मिशिनां, ट्रॅक्टर, हार्वेस्टर सगळें आहा. पूण हें कित्याक हें व्हरलें कित्याक आमकां शेतांनी? आमच्या तालिगांवानूच हें कित्याक चडटा, उरलेलें कोणें कित्याक जायना? आख्खे गोंयाभर आहा, गोंयाभर लोक शेतां रोयता. आमचे आतां जाणटे जाले म्हणून मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाता. भुरग्यांक आनी यूथ येयले जाल्यार आमी आनी जाल्ले.
And we have to encourage
करता न्हू. पळय सगळ्यांक हें करता, प्लाविंग करता. आनी कितें जाय, शेतान सीड हाडून दिता, सीडलींग दिता वेजिटेबलाची. कितें जाय लोकांक? सगळें दिता एवेलेबल. ह्या मिनिस्टर MLA कोण करता?
प्रोवाइड करना लोकांक.
कोणाक कांय दिना. ते फकत हाडून कितें आतां थोडे जेवण दिता तें जाल्यार पयलीं दिवंक जालें हांवें व्हेजिटेबल दिले कितल्या लोकांक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट
So the government
कांय
should.
एक पयशे घेवंक
So government free seats दिवपाक जाय न्हू लोकांक.
कांय दिना
कांय दिना लोकांक.
कांय दिना हांव जाणा न्हू.
Mr. Kavlekar, are you hearing this? The farmers are not being given any seat, and he is the club member right now of the farmers. So
Club
he's
farmer.
yes, and he is mentioning the same thing, that seeds are not given free. It's not being encouraged. I think so. This is the time we have to go back to our roots, and we have to start getting farming into get it activated and encourage youngsters today. If you can see, this is the thing that he was mentioning, that in the night, in the night, this place, if you all have been to the community center and you'll have seen this place, this has never been dug. This has happened in the night. So when farmers want their tractors and everything to pass through, they have difficulty. But for a land acquisition for Panchayat Ghar, this can happen overnight. You don't need permission or whatsoever. This can happen overnight. So see the difficulty that everyone is facing. At the end of it, all I want to say is to Mr. Kavlekar is, please encourage farming. Do not take the land of the people without their prior intimation. Do not put notice boards like this which shock farmers. In this COVID-19 situation, land is the only thing, a farming land is the only thing that can keep us alive. And we should be encouraging youngsters. We should be encouraging people to start growing. We have the rains coming soon. We need to take care whatever equipment they need. Giving us few ration, giving us all the BJP offices are become right now general stores. Why are BJP centers become general stores? We should be giving seeds. We should be giving stuff to the people, guys, right now. And this is not only in Talegaon. This is all over Goa that's happening. We have to start voicing up for our land. Okay, even if it's not our land, but if we see something illegal happening, if we see something which is not right, bring it to the notice of the locals, saying that such and such a thing happened. Last night, Xavier came to know about it, and the other gentleman, and they got in touch with all of us today, and we are all here at 9:30. We do have our lives, but don't do this during COVID-19 and put up notices like this on the 19th. I mean, this is what you're doing, so that you're telling people stay at home, and notices are being put up. I mean, this is how it is. You're going to be fooling public. I don't think so, guys. Mr. Kavlekar, just see what's happening and please take into action. This is not going to end here. This is just the beginning, and we are going to fight and see what's going to happen next. Thank you, guys, and please be alert of your land in Goa. Everywhere there's land filling, everywhere there's hill cutting. We have to save our land. If we are true Goikars, if we say this is our land, we should stop licking anyone's ass, and we should fight for what is right. Fight for Goa. Fight for our land, guys. It's now or it's never. That's it. We'll be finished with the COVID otherwise. That's it.